Hello math students, this is Mr. Plime and I'm going to show you how to figure out the lowest terms of a fraction. This is with a number line. When you start, you figure out how many spots are available on your number line. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So my denominator would be 4. And there the dot is in the middle and it's made two jumps. 1, 2. So my fraction is 2/4. The next thing that I need to do is figure out the factors of my two numbers. So here's factors of 2 and 4. I always start with the number 1. So how do I get to the number 2 by multiplying? I do 1 times 2. Then I go to 2. So normally I would put a 2 down and I'd say 2 times what equals 2. But because I've already got a 2 up here, I don't need to do that. So I'm going to erase that. I know that my factors are done because I have 1 and 2's on my right side, so this is finished. Then I go on to 4. I know 1 times 4 is 4, and then I do a 2. Can I do 2 times something to get to 4? 2, 4. Yep. 2 times 2 equals 4. Then I would try 3. 3, 6. Nope. That does not work, so I'm going to erase that, and I'm done with my factors of 4. The next thing I need to do is find the number that is the biggest that they have in common, the greatest common factor. So they both have a 1. I see that. Do they both have a 2? Yes, they do. So that is the greatest common factor between the number 2 and 4. I take that greatest common factor, and I'm going to divide my fraction by something called a fancy form of 1, which means I'm going to take that 2 over 2, and I'm going to divide my 2/4 by it. So 2 divided by 2, and remember our fact triangles, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then 4 divided by 2 is, there's my little arrow pointing to the other one, 2. So my lowest terms of this fraction is going to be 1/2, and that's what I would type into my fraction answer.